welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. Today we're checking out some of the cheapest classic motorcycles for sale across America right now. Let's dive in. One 1973 BMW R75/5 LWB, $4,000, Alabama. This vintage BMW R75/5 is the kind of bike collectors hunt for, mostly original, well-preserved, and still running strong after half a century. Wearing its original black paint, this long wheelbase version carries just over 42,000 miles, impressive for a 1973 machine. The owner has recently refreshed key components, including new Metzler tires, petcocks, turn signal switch, battery, and rebuilt carbs, making it a confidence-inspiring rider. It even comes with new throttle and choke cables still waiting to be installed. Like any survivor from the early 1970s, it's not flawless. The clutch is a bit clunky from a start, and the ignition contacts could use attention. But at $4,000 or best offer, this is one of the best deals you'll find on a genuine, unrestored German classic. Plus, the seller may even consider trades for a larger enclosed trailer or a 4x4 side-by-side. Number 2. 1983 Honda CB1100F, $6,750, Florida. Honda's CB1100F is legendary for being one of the most powerful air-cooled inline fours of its era, and this one lives up to its reputation. The seller reports it runs awesome and is ready to enjoy immediately, backed by a clean Florida title. This iconic super sport model features sharp red paint, a muscular stance, and that unmistakable Honda reliability. For riders chasing vintage performance without giving up modern rideability, the CB1100F remains one of the most underrated classics of the 1980s. The seller is also open to partial trades for a 16 to 18-foot open car trailer, making it a flexible deal for the right buyer. Number 3. 1976 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead, $9,500, South Carolina. A true numbers-matching Harley-Davidson Shovelhead is getting harder to find, and this 1976 example ticks all the boxes. It fires up easily, electric or kickstart, and rides as it should, offering that unmistakable Harley rumble only a Shovelhead can deliver. The owner isn't riding it much anymore, and that's the only reason it's on the market. It even comes with the matching front fender and buddy seat not pictured in the listing. At $9,500 or best offer, it's a strong candidate for anyone wanting an authentic, ready-to-ride American classic with real investment potential. 4. 1974 Kawasaki KZ, $1,600, Kentucky. If you're searching for a true budget classic, this 1974 Kawasaki KZ might be the best deal of the week. Priced at $1,600, it runs and shifts well, featuring both electric and kickstart, a huge bonus on older Japanese bikes. The title is in hand, and while the seller doesn't go into cosmetic detail, this is a rare chance to grab a 70s Kawasaki at a price far below today's rising market values. 5. 1967 BSA Lightning, $5,500, Florida. For British motorcycle lovers, this 1967 BSA Lightning is a standout. Showing just 9,310 original miles, it has been partially restored with many components cleaned or replaced. It hasn't been started in 9 years due to being mid-project, but it remains complete with a clear title. The gas tank and a few parts need to be reattached, and the tires will need air. At $5,500 cash, this is the kind of vintage British twin that, once completed, could easily be worth significantly more. Six, 1985 Suzuki GS550E, $2,750, North Carolina. This GS550E is a fantastic example of an affordable 80s Japanese sports standard. With 23,000 miles and only 2 owners, it has received extensive upgrades: new tires, chain and sprockets, battery, carb rebuilds, fork seals, brake pads, and even a GSXR 600 rear shock for improved handling. Suzuki's 572cc inline-4 provides smooth power delivery and surprising performance for its size. The seller is open to trades for dirt bikes, dual sports, enduros, supermotos, or even electric bikes, making this a highly flexible purchase opportunity at a solid price. Seven, 1971 Yamaha 350 two-stroke, $2,500, Georgia. Two-stroke fans will appreciate this lightweight 1971 Yamaha 350. Fresh off a top-end rebuild, it fires up and runs great. This era of Yamaha twins is known for lively power, simple mechanics, and huge fun per dollar. While it has minor cosmetic flaws, all are well documented by the seller. It also includes spare parts and a clean title, making it an excellent entry into the world of vintage two-strokes at just $2,500. Eight, 1982 Honda Goldwing GL1100, $2,500, Florida. If you want a classic tourer that's ready to ride today, this GL1100 might be the best value of this entire list. With only 22,521 original miles, a clean Florida title, and fresh maintenance including a new battery, starter, and rebuilt rear brake master cylinder, this machine is dialed in. It runs like a champ and might be one of the cleanest early 80s Goldwings on the market right now, especially at only $2,500 or best offer. For long-distance comfort on a budget, it's unbeatable. 9, 1976 Kawasaki KZ900, $8,750, Florida. The KZ900 is a legend, the motorcycle that helped define the superbike era, and this example comes loaded with desirable upgrades. With 22,000 plus miles, it runs and rides exactly as a KZ900 should: strong, smooth, and aggressive. It features clean carbs, synchronized properly, a Kirker pipe for that perfect exhaust note, Dyna ignition, Lester mag wheels, fresh oil and filter, and new shocks and grab rail included. The seller emphasizes this is a true turnkey classic that attracts attention everywhere it goes. At $8,750, it's a serious collectible. 10, 1975 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000, $2,900, Tennessee. This Sportster listing reads like a love letter, a bike built by hand, ridden through life, and now waiting for a new owner to write the next chapter. Powered by a 1000cc Ironhead with upgraded Andrews cams and a rebuilt 4-speed transmission, it has the bones of a true old-school street machine. It's currently disassembled for a rebuild and needs spark and fuel to run again, but it's complete and full of character. At $2,900, this is a project with soul, perfect for someone wanting a meaningful garage build. Thanks for watching Motor Market Explorer. If you love affordable classic motorcycles, subscribe for more weekly finds across America.